Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unbagging my November 2019 original Ipsy Glam Bag. And it's super cute this month. It's a leopard print. Now, I don't think, it does say Ipsy on both sides, a little tab here. It has a little tassel, which is kind of cool. And then the inside is a brown material. What is it called? Like a, I don't know. It's that like nylon-y material. Anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and start by taking the card out. It looks like the theme for this month is Wild Side, and the card does have all of the products that are in my box, this bag this month. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to start with the one item that was actually outside of the bag, but in the envelope. And this is one that I have not gotten before. This is from Royal & Langnickel, which I do have some brushes by them. And in fact, I think I used one today. I used a crease brush today. But this is the Glow brush. So it is a highlighter brush, which I love because there are two highlighter brushes that I currently use regularly. One is actually a Royal & Langnickel brush. Let me grab it. Hold on. So this is actually my favorite highlighter brush. It's the Royal & Langnickel Highlight and Glow. I got this at Walmart in a kit of like 4 brushes, but this is my favorite highlighter brush. So it's this one, my favorite one. It's a little bit bigger than the one I just got. Again, both Royal & Langnickel. And then my other highlighter brush that I like is this one here from Milani. It's the Oliver blending brush. I use this for highlighter and I use this one today. But my favorite highlighter brush of all time. Last time I was in Walmart to see if they had any more of those. The Walmarts around here don't sell them anymore. So it was very, very sad. Anyhow, a highlighter brush, which I'm very happy about. All right, I'm going to go ahead and dig into the bag. Let's pull this. Oh, I forgot to read to you from the card. Let's read what the card says. It says, the Royal & Langnickel Moda Pro Glow Brush. Yes, you can play favorites. This hardworking brush precisely highlights, sets under eyes, and blends out harsh edges, making it much loved at Ipsy HQ. With silk touch and waterproof handles and a luxe synthetic fiber blend, you'll be able to glow like the pros. Tip: the tiny yet mighty tapered tip is perfect for getting into hard to reach areas like under the eyes or around the nose. That's true. That would work really, really well for like an under eye powder brush. All right, next item right here is from MAC. This is the Cleanse Off Oil. So I have like the balm oils. I've never, to my knowledge, tried just like a regular liquid oil. And it doesn't have a scent to it. But it's just a little tiny sample of cleansing oil, which is always nice to have around. I don't use these very often, to be honest, because I do wear contacts all the time and I'm always worried that like I'm going to get stuff in my contacts. I use the Clinique balm one every once in a while, and it just has a tendency to get like residue on my contacts and stuff. And let's not talk about my hair. It's doing weird things today. Okay. The MAC Cleanse Off Oil. Sometimes removing your makeup feels almost as good as wearing it. Made by iconic beauty brand MAC, this gentle oil cleanser gets rid of your most stubborn makeup, and it's made with vitamin E, olive fruit, jojoba seed, and primrose oils to hydrate, nourish, and protect your skin. Tip: pour a quarter-sized amount of cleansing oil in the palm of your hand and massage it all over your face when it's dry to loosen up makeup. Rinse or wipe with a damp washcloth. All right. Next up, let's go back into the bag and pull this out. Okay, so this is from their Gigi Gorgeous collaboration that they did this month. This is, what is this? This is the Gigi Gorgeous Cosmetics. Oh, it's a living lip balm. Okay. Let's see about getting this open. Maybe. Maybe not. Hold, please. All right, so it does have a scent and it says gorgeous on it. It's almost like a vanilla kind of scent. It does say gorgeous on there. I'm not sure how well that's going to pick that up, but it says gorgeous. And then the outside of the bottle says Gigi. It smells good. All right. This is the Gigi Gorgeous Living Lip Balm in Natalia. That's her fiance, wife? Did they get married? I know they got engaged. I don't know if they got married. But Nat. She calls her Nat. Named for the YouTube personality, author, and activist, Gigi Gorgeous is a limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection of essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. This clear, lightweight lip balm is made with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil to hydrate and nourish lips. Apply to clean lips to keep them hydrated and comfortable throughout the day. Wear alone or layered under other lip products. Reapply as needed. I look forward to giving that a try. I've been like on a lip balm kick lately where I've been like trying all the lip balms. Yeah. All right, back into the bag. Let's pull out this item right here. Okay, so this is from Lock Color. Lock It Good Foundation BB Plus Foundation. It's in the shade 1, Fair Beige. So let's see what that looks like. The packaging looks kind of deep, so let's see what it looks like. Let me actually get a little bit out. Okay, it's not as deep as it looks from the packaging. Now this is 1/3 of an ounce, so that's actually a decent amount actually. And there it is on the back of my hand, so I think that that's going to work for my skin tone. So that's exciting. I am actually kind of excited that beauty boxes are starting to put in like concealers and foundations and such. I actually have a concealer that I got, I think, last year sometime from Ipsy that was actually a match, which I'm not upset about. Anyway, I look forward to giving that a try. It has like a perfumey scent to it though. I don't know. We'll try it out. This is from LOCK Color. Lock It Good Foundation in 1 Fair Beige. This brand draws from K-Beauty and NYC's vibrant energy, and you'll enjoy the best of both worlds with this innovative foundation / BB cream hybrid. Made with hyaluronic acid, witch hazel, and collagen, it hydrates, soothes, and calms skin while providing lasting full coverage. Tip: apply a generous, it says later, but I think it means layer. So apply a generous layer to your face and blend well with a brush, sponge, or fingertips. For extra sheer coverage, warm between fingertips before applying. All right, I look forward to giving that a try. Okay, and then the last item in here is right here. This is from Verify, something like that. There it is. Okay. All right. So this is from Verify Skincare Power Trip Phytoglycogen and AHA Facial Serum. Talk about girl power. Verify Skincare was founded by women in STEM, science, tech, engineering, and math. So you know this serum delivers results. It uses AHAs, great for acne-prone skin, arnica, calendula, and more to exfoliate, hydrate, calm, and smooth skin's texture in one step. Tip: apply facial serum once daily to clean, dry skin. Massage 1 to 2 drops of product onto your face in an upward motion, avoiding the eye area. All right, so let's go back over everything I got in my bag. The bag itself is kind of cute. I would not use this like regularly. I actually still have my Glam Bag Plus bag, which is just a little bit bigger, and I actually just got my ultimate bag today as well. I haven't opened that yet. I'm going to be opening that right after I film this one, so that's an even bigger bag. But they're cute. I got the foundation / BB cream, which I'm excited to give a try. The facial serum, which that's fine. The lip balm, which I'm actually really excited to give a try, to be honest with you. The cleansing oil, which again, I'm interested to try. And the highlighter brush, which is probably the thing that I'm most excited about. Is that weird? I don't know. I love brushes. I know some of you guys are kind of sick of getting brushes. I love brushes. I love brushes. This whole table is brushes. Well, no, this whole side of the table. This is my setting sprays. Because I only have one face and I need a million setting sprays. Don't ask. I have a problem. Anyway, overall, I'm actually really happy for this bag. A couple of things that I'm excited to try: the foundation, the lip balm. I'm really happy about the brush. The cleansing oil, I'm going to give a try. In fact, I will probably try it tonight with the red lipstick to see how well that works. The serum, you know, it's that's fine. It is safety sealed. I have a ton of face skincare. Face care? skincare products. So this might end up going in my giveaway drawer just because it is safety sealed, and I've been trying to be a little bit better about that. Like any skincare items I offer obviously to my husband and my sons, my family, my sisters-in-law, my sister, and see if they want it. And you know, anything that is safety sealed, I will try to then put it in a giveaway. And Christmas is coming up, holidays are coming up, so I'm looking to do some big giveaways really soon. So anyhow, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, hit the red subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. I really do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you didn't know, I do have my own online clothing boutique, Niminis.com. If you want to check it out, you can check that out as well. The link is in the description bar. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!